Hi there, and welcome to Abe's Music School. I'm Abe, also known as Albert, and a few, or not so few, other names. I'm going to tell you a story, how this channel came to start. This is the very first episode. If you're not interested, skip on to the time code. I have a chaotic channel in my own name with just random videos, and one of the playlists there is Abe's Bass School. But this is also going to be about bass, and I'm also going to talk more about music in general and not only playing the bass. My story is I began up until the 3rd grade playing recorder flute, and then in the 4th grade I skipped over to piano. Played that for 3 years, and then in the 7th grade I started playing electrical guitar. And because I had by that time started to listen to electrical guitar music. Music like Scorpions, Motorhead, various Swedish punk bands. Elvis Presley, of course, that was a little bit earlier, Beatles, and lots of hard rock bands like Iron Maiden. But mostly I played, my biggest inspiration was Ritchie Blackmore from Deep Purple and Rainbow. So I played lots and lots and lots of Ritchie Blackmore guitar solos and licks. And after 20 years or so, the opportunity came for me to play bass in a folk music band. That's why I started to learn to play bass. In the beginning I thought it was just, well, playing the bass is just like playing the guitar but with 2 less strings. No, it's nothing like playing the guitar. Playing the bass is completely different, because when playing the bass you have to have the rhythm in your body like this, because you are an important part of the rhythm of the entire song, the foundation of the song. Percussion and bass are the foundation of the song. If the percussion and bass doesn't work, the whole song will be ruined. It's like building a house on sand. It will not hold. But as long as the foundation is okay, the guitars and other instruments can do whatever. It doesn't matter. The song will be okay. So let's move on to actually playing some bass and feeling the rhythm. Let's go inside. So on an acoustic guitar, you can play with a pick, or you can play with your fingers. So it's easier to play some things with the fingers and easier to play faster things with the pick. I'm going to talk more about finger playing versus pick playing in a future video. So I typically try to play as much as possible with my fingers. Now I'm just gonna play the 2nd string here without pressing any fret, and I want to keep a rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to help keep the rhythm I can use this. So if I put it on my foot, I can keep the rhythm by just lifting my leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play on the ones. 1, 1, 1. Now insert some extra notes. And feel the rhythm in your body. That's the most important thing, whatever instrument you play. You can feel the rhythm in your foot, you can feel it in your neck, you can feel it in your shoulders, I don't know, but have it somewhere. We can also insert more notes. This tone here is called an A, and you can play an A over here too. At what is it? Is the 3rd, 5th, the 7th fret. Same note, but brighter. 1 octave brighter. So you can play a little pattern here. those notes go together, I just keep on playing the same rhythm and inserting those notes too. Yeah, now I was just improvising, but something like that. Insert some more notes, and you're playing bass. Much more about that later. For this first lesson, I just want you to feel the rhythm in your body. Just play one note and feel the rhythm, and then if you want, insert some more notes. See you next time.